focused, oh so fixed, but oh so distracted by the clothes, girls and kicks. And oh, so distracted by the 4, 5, 6 figures. I figure I'm just another figure, figuring out my outline. I'm out my mind. People say they get out, and I just might find the life I wanna lead, but it's just not mine. And of course I wanna leave, but it's just not time. And I just think I'm a little confused, cause I've been working towards divorce and substance abuse. And then they want me to stop it all, but there's just no use to ignite this revolution when there's just no fuse. And like bombs, I'm heading home, there's just no juice. And I'm just too young, but that's no excuse to be the role model that I just don't see. Cause it's just not me to follow and not lead. So I'm too influenced by the mood. You gotta hold on, kid. Hold on, kid. Yeah, I'm too influenced by the. I'm too influenced by the. I'm just too influenced by another's prestige. I'm too innocent, too young and naive. Too young to die, too bad, I'm too good. And I know they're gonna say that he not bad, he not good, he not straight, he's not these things we is. Well, I don't give a shit, I'm here just to give the kids a proper form to follow, a born to be performer. I will never be a has-been, never was a former abusive alcoholic or man who's drug addicted to crime. Convicted rapper, where apparently depicted as sit and gasp if you can't grasp this. I don't demoralize and I'll never ask kiss. So as this hits, let me ask you this: are you just another rapper or an activist? Are you just a white rapper or a cat that gets too faded and acts as if his rap's the shit? Cause if hip-hop ceases to exist, I insist we give it life again. Prescribe it new mental medicines, herb words and verbal vitamins. Help the children write again, help it move again, help that needle hit the groove again. Utilize musical unison, bring it where it should have been by now to right now. Cause right now, we are the future.